Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's minds: how to get rid of pimples quickly and naturally. We all know how frustrating those pesky pimples can be. So I've got 4 fantastic natural remedies that can help you clear up your skin fast. Let's jump right in. Acne is a common skin disease that affects an estimated 85% of people at some point in their lives. Symptoms include pesky pimples that can be frustrating and difficult to get rid of. While conventional treatments can get rid of pimples, they're often associated with adverse effects, such as skin irritation and dryness. As such, a lot of people have turned to natural alternatives to get rid of pimples fast. However, while there are a lot of natural acne remedies out there, only a handful are scientifically proven to help. First up, we have spot treat with tea tree oil. The tea tree oil treatment also resulted in fewer adverse effects, including dryness, irritation, and burning. It's important to note that tea tree oil is very potent and can cause redness and irritation when applied directly to the skin. For this reason, it should be diluted with a carrier oil. According to the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health, only a small amount of research has been conducted on the topical use of tea tree oil for health conditions, and a limited amount of research indicates that tea tree oil might be helpful for acne. How to use tea tree oil for acne. Combine 1 drop of tea tree oil with 1 teaspoon carrier oil. Dip a cotton swab into the mixture and apply it directly to pimples. Apply moisturizer if desired. Repeat this process 1 to 2 times per day, as needed. 2. Spot treat with other essential oils. In addition to tea tree oil, many other essential oils with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties can help clear up pimples quickly. A large scientific review found that essential oils of cinnamon, rose, lavender, and clove fight the acne-causing bacteria S. epidermidis and P. acnes. Like tea tree oil, these essential oils are very concentrated and can cause irritation if applied directly to the skin. Be sure to dilute all essential oils with a carrier oil. Perform a test patch before regular use, and discontinue use should irritation develop. How to use essential oils for acne. Combine 10 drops of essential oil with 1 ounce, 30 milliliters of carrier oil. Dip a cotton swab into the mixture and apply it directly to pimples. Apply moisturizer if desired. Repeat this process 1 to 2 times per day, as needed. 3. Apply green tea to the skin. A lot of people drink green tea for its health benefits, but it can also be helpful when applied directly to the skin. Green tea contains flavonoids and tannins, which are known to help fight inflammation and the bacteria that may cause pimples. It's also high in the antioxidant epigallocatechin 3 gallate, EGCG, which has been shown to fight inflammation, reduce sebum production, and inhibit the growth of P. acnes in people with acne-prone skin. Multiple studies have shown that people with acne experience significantly less sebum production and pimples when they apply a 2 to 3% green tea extract to their skin. There are a handful of skincare products on the market that contain green tea, but it's very simple and cost-effective to make your own mixture at home. How to use green tea for acne. Steep green tea in boiling water for 3 to 4 minutes. Allow the tea to cool. Apply it to your face with a cotton ball or spritz it on using a spray bottle. Leave it on for 10 minutes or overnight, and then rinse your face with water. Apply 1 to 2 times per day, as needed. It can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. 4. Moisturize with aloe vera. Aloe vera is a tropical plant with leaves that produce a clear gel. When applied to the skin, aloe vera gel has been shown to help fight bacteria, reduce inflammation, and promote wound healing. Because of this, it's a popular treatment for a variety of skin conditions, including psoriasis, rashes, cuts, and burns. There are limited studies on the ability of aloe vera to fight pimples specifically, but existing research is promising. Aloe vera contains luteol, salicylic acid, urea nitrogen, cinnamonic acid, phenols, and sulfur, all of which inhibit bacteria that might cause pimples. Although aloe vera gel on its own was not effective at treating pimples, it enhanced the anti-acne effects of clove basil oil and tretinoin cream. While aloe vera gel may help clear up pimples on its own, it may be more effective when combined with other remedies or medications. How to use aloe vera gel for acne. Scrape the gel out of the aloe leaves with a spoon. Apply the gel to your skin when you apply other acne treatments. You may want to try mixing it with your other treatment, and then apply this to your skin. Or you can apply the other acne treatment first, adding the aloe gel over it. Repeat 1 to 2 times per day, or as desired. Remember, everyone's skin is unique, so be sure to do a patch test before trying any new remedy. And please, resist the urge to pop those pimples. It can lead to scarring and more breakouts. Instead, give these natural methods a shot. There you have it, 4 fantastic natural ways to get rid of pimples as fast as possible. Whether you go for tea tree oil, essential oils, green tea, or aloe vera gel, these remedies are here to help you achieve clearer, healthier skin. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more skincare secrets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.